Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the web search option on the ReadEra application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, just click to the three line at the upper left corner, scroll down, and you can find the settings. And new, in the reading section, tap to the third option, the translator, dictionary, and web search. Click to the last button, the web search, and here you can select the Chrome, the Google, on the Samsung internet, because I actually I use a Samsung device. Just select one, tap that, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.